In the crypto market where the current price is constantly fluctuating with the average price changing every day, their price prediction forecast is a heavily speculated topic. With new players entering the cryptocurrency market, this highly risky business of investing in cryptocurrencies is expanding. Trustswap is a cryptocurrency that is currently in the light, and Trustswap price predictions are being discussed by many traders and business analysts. We'll be looking at the maximum price value, maximum average price, minimum average price, and the maximum value. Trustswap is a decentralized platform that allows users to buy, sell, or trade crypto assets in a trustless manner. The platform was launched in March 2018 and is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Trustswap allows users to create smart contracts that can be used to trade any type of asset, including cryptocurrency, fiat currency, stocks, and more. The platform is designed to be user-friendly and allows users to create their own contracts or use pre-made contracts. Trustswap is also integrated with major exchanges, allowing users to trade directly from their wallets. The highest price ever recorded, lowest price ever recorded, and Trustswap price prediction tools are used to determine the average price prediction, which is based on historical data. This is so they can compare prices over a large period to determine different stats. The average value is based on the total value of stocks sold within a set period of time in the crypto market. The total value of stocks sold divided by the number of stocks sold gives you the average trading price. The average forecast price relies on the Trustswap price average trading value as its base. The minimum price and maximum price on the cryptocurrency market throughout time represent historical prices, which are used to calculate statistics like the average trading price and future price predictions. The stock's past price of the highest value, whether it was most recently or all the way back when it was launched, determines the maximum price level. The lowest price level recorded for a certain time period is the minimum price level, much as its reverse. Trustswap is currently worth $0.240750 US. Swap has moved 2.62% in the last 24 hours with a trading volume of $850,016. Trustswap is currently ranked 533 amongst all cryptocurrencies with a market capitalization of $24,352,418 US. Trustswap price prediction 2022. Trustswap, according to some, is one of the most amazing cryptocurrencies to rise this year. The swap price forecast for 2022 anticipates a significant increase in the year's second half, possibly reaching $0.361139. As with other cryptocurrencies, the rise will be gradual, but no considerable drops are expected. Averaging $0.337,063 in price is quite ambitious, but it is feasible in the near future given anticipated collaborations and advancements. Swap is expected to have a minimum value of $0.288911. Trustswap price prediction 2023. In 2023, Trustswap price prediction has much room for expansion. As a result of the potential announcements of numerous new partnerships and initiatives, we anticipate that the price of swap will soon surpass $0.601899. However, we should wait to see if the swap's relative strength index comes out of the oversold zone before placing any bullish bets. Considering the market volatility, swap will trade with a minimum trading price of $0.481519 and an average trading price of $0.529671. Trustswap price prediction 2024. If the upward trend continues until 2024, it could reach $0.842658 and swap may profit. If the market experiences a decline, the goal may not be met. Swap is expected to trade at an average price of $0.770430 and a low of $0.722279 in 2024. Trustswap price prediction 2025. If Trustswap successfully boosts market sentiment among cryptocurrency enthusiasts, the swap coin price could remain stable for the next 5 years. According to our projections, swap will be green in 2025. The swap is expected to reach and surpass its all-time high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual currency will be worth $1.08, with a minimum price of $0.963038 and an average price of $1.01. Trustswap price prediction 2026. After some extensive forecasting and technical analysis, we estimate the swap price is expected to cross an average price level of $1.25 by 2026, with a minimum price of $1.20 expected before the end of the year. Furthermore, swap has a maximum price value of $1.32. Trustswap price prediction 2027. Due to the future partnerships that are expected to happen by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish trend will continue, bringing the average price to around $1.49. If swap manages to break the resistant level in 2027, we could see a maximum price of $1.56. Failing to gather the support swap needs by 2027 could result in a low of $1.44. Trustswap price prediction 2028. While swap is striving towards interoperability between networks to hasten interaction, the bullish trend from the previous year is expected to continue. So the minimum trade price has been placed at $1.69 and a yearly price close above $1.81 in 2028. Trustswap price prediction 2029. By 2029, Trustswap will finally surpass its previous all-time high values and record new price levels. The minimum price could be $1.93 and potentially reach a maximum price value of $2.05, averaging out at $1.97. Trustswap price prediction 2030. In 2030, we are expecting cryptocurrency to have gained adoption across many sectors. As such, the maximum swap price in 2030 is projected to be $2.36 in the event of a bull run, with an average price level of $2.26. Users can purchase, sell, or exchange crypto assets on the decentralized platform Trustswap in a trustless way. Their price prediction forecast is a hotly debated issue in the current crypto market, where the price is continuously moving and the average price changes every day. This very costly industry of investing in cryptocurrencies is growing as more participants enter the market. The Trustswap ecosystem has grown to include a range of business sectors. This prevents exit scams and rug pulls by giving a sector with a high frequency of frauds more respectability.